Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can restore your tabs on Microsoft Edge. So let's get straight into it. So we have three quick ways to do that. Uh, I will I will be close I will close now these tabs right over here, so that I will left just with that one. And now what we can do, we can use keyboard shortcut. So this is Control Shift and T. Also on Mac you have CMD plus Shift plus T, and you can restore the tabs that you closed before. Now also you can use right click on your mouse and then uh, reopen closed tabs. It works the same way as on a shortcut on your keyboard. Now you can also use history. If you go here to the top right corner where you see these three dots, click on it and then to history. You will see history for more weeks or almost the whole month what you have used before. Now also what we can do is that if we go here to the settings, right here to the three dots and then settings. Now under the settings we go here to start home and new tab. And what you will gonna do is mark this one, open tabs from the previous session, like that. So if we close now the Microsoft Edge, like that, and I will reopen it. Now you see that our tabs are right here where we left. So this is basically how you can restore your tabs and settings that you don't close tabs when you close the whole Microsoft Edge. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.